previous video, we discussed about strategic partnering as a HR business partner's role. Now, let us discuss about organization development. In organization development, fostering the culture of the organization, leadership development, succession planning, overall organization's performance will all come into the organization development. HR business partner will play a very crucial role in this. We talk about the culture. Culture is nothing but common beliefs and the practices will make the culture of the organization. Anything that we believe in that and we follow as a general practice, as a norm, that translates into the organization's culture. We must be attached to our values, our vision, and the way that we work will make the organization's reputation. That is how the organization will be recognized as in the market. HR business partner will play a crucial role in managing the organization's culture, and they will put the important people's processes and systems towards that. When it comes to the leadership development, leaders as the organization is growing, more leaders need to evolve from the system, and people need to take different roles, and they need to be independently take the ownership, and they have to be very much responsible in terms of delivering and discharging those things, where leadership development is play a vital role in that, and HR business partner will look into that, fostering the leadership development in the organization as well as along with the work culture. When it comes to the succession planning, the organization is moving ahead. The people need to move ahead and take more responsibilities, and the organization need to move forward towards that. So succession planning is very important, where people are getting promoted and taking the next level responsibilities, and people are also, the lower level people are also getting a chance actually to handle different kinds of activities. So overall harmony that needs to be taken into that succession planning. And when it comes to the overall organization's performance, so anything is the results are related to the performance of the organization. So overall organizations, what is the performance metrics, how we measure, and what are the indicators for that we need to see. So generally when we see the organization's performance indicators, means the sales figures, the financial aspects, and the reputation or the goodwill that we are gaining in the market from the last year, and more number of satisfied employees and customers. So all these things forms part as a company's performance indicators, and that needs to be taken care of and needs to be developed. And this is what is the crucial role HR business partner will play along with their senior leadership. So as a HR business partner, they are taking care of the organization development. More details that we can see in the next video. Signing off, Ram Akella.